Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a Reddit API key step by step. So this is useful when you need to connect an application or project to Reddit. So first open up Reddit in your browser and scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the developer option and click on it. You will then be taken to another page when you need to select build games. And once the developer page opens, click quick start for games, and from there scroll to the bottom developers.reddit.com new to begin creating a new project. Next, choose one of the available templates, and after selecting a template, enter a clear and appropriate name for your application. Avoid using names that suggest spam or automated abuse, as this may prevent the project from being accepted. And then complete the human verification when it appears, review the information and click accept. And after the project is created, you will be taken to its page where you can view the project details and find the API key. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.